Lake District. Bonus Windermere. Here we go. Woo, let's go. Kami, Bonus Windermere. Bonus. In fairness.
Papunta ng bonus.
Actually, ano namin to? Second time. Si Seth lang kasama namin. Ngayon, may kasama na kami. Aray ko. Sige. Kasama na namin si Lilo. Dati si Seth lang. Ngayon kasama na namin si Lilo. Kasama namin si Lilo. Si Jason and David. Let's go. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Para kasing timang eh. Kung ano-ano ginagawa mo eh. Motorbikes. Nice. Motorbikes. Nice. Lilo. Lilo. Saan pupunta, Lilo? Where are you going? Lilo, where are you going? Hi! Hello! It's raining, Mom. I think so. Lilo! Lilo! Chilling. Home interiors. Later. Ito yung Windermere na ano, na lakeside sa Lake District. Last year maulan.
Ngayon makulimlim naman.
Medyo makulimlim pa rin. Pero same month last year. Ito na aso. Ang ito na aso, ano?
Oh, look. Remember that? Yes. That's where we eat the
fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Tatawid.
Ayaw na itong kumakay ng pram. Tarang display. Tignan mo kung dalawa.
Para pupunta lang kami sa pa-schedule kami ng... Pwede ka na bumaba dito, May? May babaan ba dyan? Ayan. Try kami mag-book check namin kung how much yung ticket tsaka yung kung ano oras yung booking yung alis ng cruise. Kasi nung nakaraan umalis kami nung mga 3. Yung check natin. Baka mamaya ano late yung oras ng alis.
Dad, I saw Loch Ness.
Going to the cruise. We're going to the cruise.
Dad, I saw Loch Ness over there. Yeah, I saw Nessie.
Lilo, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Tulog ang putang ina. Tulog. Tara na. Dito. Yay! Swan! Tickets. Let's go here, Seth! Let's stay here. With the dogs. Ooh, hello! So cute. It's so cute. It's so cute.
Yeah, just...
Yung last book ng train namin, last book ng cruise namin is 4:55. So meron pa kaming 1 hour to stay dito sa end nung dock nung sa cruise. Dito kami sa Lakes Aquarium so pinuntahan namin dati nila Mami. Ayun, sa likod. Ayun, Lakes Aquarium. Yun na, wala. Dito lang kami. Picture tayo. Go, train station. Steam train. Let's go, steam train. Sir, go, move. Six.
Yeah.
And it's the same deal.
Go.
One traditional.
And 2 biscuits.
2 biscuits.
Be quick.
Click on the biscuit.
Get out.
1, 2, 3 biscuits.
Yeah.
It's so delicious, you'll eat them all.
Oh, they're hot.
Yes, please.
Salted caramel.
What's that?
Thank you. Salted caramel.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's a good salesman.
Oh.
The sound effects.
Loud.
I know.
Thank you so much. That's great. Have a nice day.
Chocolate, please.
What to? Yeah, no chocolate. This is just plain, isn't it?
How many?
No chocolate.
How many biscuits?
3 biscuits and 3.
I can make 3
They have biscuit there. I heard the biscuit there.
biscuits. Get it all on there.
10 pounds.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay.
Alright.
Pull that one in.
Brilliant.
No, other way. Other way. No, that way, like that. So you push it in there, like that, and then tap it in with a hammer. So it's in now, like that, and then push it in with that, that's it. Good lad. Go on, give it one big whack. There we go.
Okay,
next one.
don't ruin it, Seth. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they're not paid yet. No, wait until they're paid. And again, go. Good lad. Go on. Right, put the hammer down, give it a flick.
Good job.
Tighten up again. So, never hitting this side with the hammer. Never hit. And one more. That one. One more.
They're supposed
Okay, that one. One more. One more. That's it. One more. Big hit. And again, one more big hit. Right, now flick it again. So we're getting there. Almost. Almost. So we just do.
they're supposed to tighten up the...
Oh, nice.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
We'll just take
Good
it
job,
there.
sir.
Well done.
Well done, sir. Well done.
My job.
Now you know what we're gonna do. You just need
When his modelling career fails, you can.
You can resort to this. You just need to buy the printer.
Canvas. Pro Canvas Studio. So after you graduate, Seth, you know what's your job,
When we
yeah?
go back to Scotland.
Failfoot. Let's go. Failfoot Bridge. Failfoot. What is that again? Motherfucker. Yeah. I forgot the name. Is it Failfoot? Yeah, Failfoot. Yeah.
Failfoot.
Failfoot. Failfoot. We're going to Failfoot Park. We saw this park in front of the pier where we went to. Oh, it's all the way down. All the way down. All green. Nice. Nice.
Settled already.
Yeah.
Settled.
Fucking May pupi. Untigan ka na. Daming insect eh. Ganda ng park. Nice. All green. Oo nga, ano. Ang ganda doon mag-picture, mami.
Anytime next year.
Anytime next year. Fuck, it's gonna be winter in the next month.
You can go fishing on there.
Yeah. The thing is, next month's gonna be winter. It's gonna be freaking cold.
Gonna be cold.
Yeah.
Ayun, ang ganda dyan.
Para ka na-
Hihiwalay tayo.
Para ka nasa ano? Tag doon?
Pero dito ka lang pipicture.
Hobbit.
Yung iwa-hiwalay tayo. Hindi mo makikita mo masyado malapit, daddy eh.
Ano, kailangan mo siyang ano, to. Yung frame mo.
Ayan.
Nice. May pupi na! Gago. Ang ganda dito. Manila Yacht Club. Ganda dito. Ganda dito. Pwede tayong bumalik dito. Babalik kami rito para mag-spend ng siguro isang buong araw lang. Dito lang tayo. Pwede tayong bumalik dito kahit mga half day, no?
Who are you?
Itong
Who are
part
you?
na to.
Who are you?
Ha?
Ay, sige. Dito
Ayan.
Akin
What,
na
what are you doing?
Ano?
Sa baka niya alam.
Wait, who are you? I'm
No, alas 8 na din. Para kumain na rin tayo. Nice park. Ganda ng park na ito.
Ay, yung Pringles.
Fairfoot Park. Alright guys, so dito ko natatapos yung aming vlog. Quick trip lang dito sa hello guys, so dito ko natatapos yung aming vlog. Quick trip lang sa Lake District, Bowness Windermere Lake District Park. So yun lang, umikot lang kami dito, nag-cruise again kasama si Jason and David. Tapos punta kami dito sa Fairfoot na park. Yun, umikot lang, picture ganun. Ang ganda dito. So yun guys, see you again next time. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and live happy guys. Bye. See you again soon.